And then, since I'm already here and these packages came in, this package is from Sade, Addicted2pinknails, and there should be some acrylic powder in here, and I'm going to be doing a set with them. Yes, honey. So that's upcoming. Here's that packaging, that pink packaging, so cute. So cute. So I got the package, Sade. In fact, when I make it home, I'll be hitting you up on Instagram to let you know that it.
This video is sponsored by EdensRose Co., which is owned and operated by my nail sister, Sade, of Addicted2pinknails here on YouTube. She reached out to me and asked to sponsor a video. So from her acrylic line, I selected Honey Mustard. Then she sent me some extras. Now you see she chose my favorite color, black. The brush is so soft and I love the ombre effect in the strands. I also received 2 Louis Vuitton designer glitters. She was so thoughtful in knowing the things I like so much. Though I will not be using the glitters in this design, I did want to show these so you'll have an idea of what's available on her website. Hey NailTubers! What is up, Nailification Squad? Remember to check in and put up those hashtags, guys, so this family can become identified as a community, especially here on YouTube. Here's a look-see at the gorgeous Honey Mustard. The first thing I want to say is about her packaging. I already loved all the pink in her label too, but I did notice her container of acrylic powder had an inside cover. How often do you see that? I can't count the thousands of times I've spilled acrylic powder everywhere when twisting the lids open. The thing that makes her inside cover unique is it's reusable. Most other products only have a seal that you would tear open, but not EdensRose. This is a step up in the game, honey. So I'm just starting with the clear layer and showing it in brief clips. I have so many other things to share as you watch me work. As you get a better visual of this beautiful color, I will just sit back and let you see a bit of this application. Watch and tell me what you think of it, and I'll add to it in a moment. I am in love with this acrylic from EdensRose. The color makes such a statement, even without any design or embellishments. Have you shared what you think? I know she would love to hear your input, especially from any of you who have experience with acrylic. So let me share while I'm doing this finger. This is an ever so slightly slower than medium setting acrylic powder. And although I can't explain this part, it still dries rather quickly. So you don't have to wait a long time to file. I am so amazed. The consistency is milled to a finer powder than I've ever come across. It's highly pigmented, so important for good coverage. I was working it on the wet side because I was using a larger brush, and it still stayed where I put it and held its creamy consistency until I moved it. Now you may think, well, that's her girl. She's going to say all positive things. And yes, she is. She is my sister. But if you can't see this for yourself, then go ahead. Try something else. You'll be back. Come right on back and watch this video. Then you're going to get your next acrylic from EdensRose. I'll skip over the middle finger until I'm done with the color on the 3 nails. Oh, and did I mention that this beautiful dappen dish, I was calling it a dampen dish, with the gorgeous holographic bottom is also from EdensRose. Sade and I had a good laugh in the comments section of one of my previous videos when she commented, "That's a beautiful dappen dish," knowing I ordered it from her. Yes, it's been the star of the show in several videos already. So here's a final opportunity for you to see how well this acrylic performs. Watch and think about the things I brought to your attention. Before I put this acrylic away, I would also like to mention that when I opened this powder, there was absolutely no hazing. I would be safe to guess that I probably could have gotten away with not stirring it, and the result would still be the same. As I'm going in with the clear layer, I want to let you know that there'll only be a very brief, and I do mean brief, moment of filing. This one finger is getting clear first so that it will have an equal amount of layers as the other nails. Then I'll finish them all in clear. This clear is from a different company, and I do like it, but I'm not mentioning other business names as this video is strictly reserved for the promotion of products from EdensRose. Remember to visit Shardae's YouTube channel, Addicted to Pink Nails, and subscribe to support her growth towards reaching her 1,000 subscriber goal. Also, visit her website at www.edensroseco.com, where you'll find this beautiful honey mustard acrylic and other gorgeous colors like raspberry, and also other nail products like designer foils and many other nail accessories. Wait till you see the design for this set. I will explain this. I originally thought of an idea before the acrylic arrived. Then when I got this package from the P.O. box, as you saw in the intro clip, it came at the same time with the one from DG, which was the nail haul from yesterday, and I showed all the beautiful foils she sent. If you saw that video, you may remember I set a couple of the foils aside, saying that I had something in mind for it. You'll see shortly what idea I came up with, and I really hope you like it. I want to let you know that I didn't even use the e-file. This acrylic was very easy to just simply hand file, so that's another benefit if that's your preference, or you don't have an e-file. So there were 3 foils that were a match to this color. All of them are so stunning, but I only needed to use one. This one was one that I set aside and matched the most color-wise, but surprisingly, it didn't give me the feel I was hoping for. These next 2, though very similar, one still felt a little too light, but this third one was giving me the depth and color I was looking for, and the transition of color too. It matched the acrylic perfectly. This part right here was so critical to me. I know y'all will agree because we just got done talking about foils and lamp wattage, right? I gotta admit, I was a bit apprehensive. But if you notice, the foil was just lifting from the nail all on its own. And it came out so beautiful. The pinky and index finger are getting a glossy top coat, while the index finger will also get a small swoosh of bling. Then, this becomes the feature nail as I create a hinting image of a mermaid to accentuate the design of the foil. If you've enjoyed this, and I like to believe you have, remember to subscribe to my channel to support my growth towards 1,000 subscribers as well. And hit the notification bell so you can become part of this NailTube family and be informed when the next exciting post is coming. You can also contribute to the growth by sharing my video. I thank all of you for watching and being here with me today. There's more awesome content coming, and I will see you next time.